Alright, so here's one of the issues I'm facing with the Caprice. I made these louvers all along the side here to replicate the factory one, but shaved in. 1970s, they used a light bulb in the center, and as you can see, it's like only 1 or 2 louvers are lighting up, and I don't like that. I want the whole thing lit up. So I am going to modify the original lens to put LED strips in it. That way the whole thing lights up. I'll show you how I'm going to do that. Yeah, then the red lens pops off. And this, we can get rid of. We don't need it anymore. So then, what I did is took a piece of plastic mirror. You can get at hobby stores. And this is just plastic mirror. That's all it is. I just wanted that because I wanted some more reflection for the light to really make it glow. And then I laid the red lens over it. You can still see the mirror behind there some too. That should glow really good. Traced it out, cut it down to fit, drilled the holes for the studs. And then next, I'm gonna mount some LED strips on the mirror, pointing outward. Drill a hole for the wires to come through and splice it into the factory harness here. Put a little bit of glue at the 4 corners to hold the mirror on. Not too much, because if I ever have to change an LED strip, I wanna be able to pop it off there. And we'll see how that works. All right, so I went to O'Reilly's, grabbed these. I wanted to try these. These are really bright, but they're just too big to fit inside the lens there. These are little strips that stick on. So I grabbed these. I'll return those other ones, but they glow red. So we'll cut it to length and stick it inside there and see how it looks. So what I did here is I routed out a channel for the LED strip to go through. And it kind of hangs low because of the cut marks. I tried to line it up to where I could get the most LEDs in there. So with that channel cut out, I used a rotary file and a drill just to grind out a little path for it to sit so it'd be nice and flush. And that's what we end up with. I mean, it's got one LED that's going to be down here you're not going to see, but with the way the cut strips fell, this gave me the most amount of LEDs inside there and fits pretty good. So now we'll glue the 2 halves together and go put it in the car and see what it looks like. Okay, finished product. That is glowing, which was just in the middle. Wow. So now the front wasn't bad. But that back is glowing.